Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. This is the second tutorial. Today we have the introduction to the TypeScript. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, right? TypeScript builds on the top of JavaScript. First, you write the TypeScript code, then you compile the TypeScript code into a plain JavaScript code using the TypeScript compiler. So if you are thinking that the TypeScript has different code, no, so first of all, whatever the code you have written down in the TypeScript, it will convert into the plain JavaScript code, right? Using the TypeScript compiler, right? Second, once you have the plain JavaScript code, you can deploy it to the any environments that the JavaScript runs. TypeScript files that uses the which extension, the .ts file, any of the extensions that contains the .ts extension, that means the project is built on the TypeScript rather than .js extension using the JavaScript files, right? Next, TypeScript uses the JavaScript syntax and add additional syntax for the supporting the types. Okay, if you have a JavaScript program that doesn't have any syntax errors, it also a TypeScript program. It means that all the JavaScript programs are TypeScript programs. This is very helpful if you're migrating the existing JavaScript code base to the TypeScript. Okay, so basically overall, if we summarize, so TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. Okay, and it's basically add the type to your JavaScript code. If you are defining any object, any interface, so you are defining that this is a string, this is number, this is an array, this is an object. So you are defining, right, that whenever the parameter accepting, that should be a string or that should be a number. If it is not accepting, it throw the error when you compile the TypeScript code on the runtime, right? So that's the main advantage of the TypeScript, that you have a strict type checking onto your object, onto your string, right? So it will help you to reducing the bugs errors, right? So if you're defining the first of all first on that, this is the string, that should be a number, that should be an array. So that will help when that will help you that if you are using the TypeScript version, right? So most of the platforms, like you can see that they are using the TypeScript in the React, Angular, Nest.js. So you go and just check that tools also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.